welcome back to the career platform. I'm Anuradha, your maths teacher. Here in this video I will cover exercise 3.7 of class 6. So here it is based on the problem sums. Some problem sums are given. So we will see question number 1 here. So what is the question number 1? Renu purchases 2 bags of fertilizer of weights 75 kg and 69 kg. Okay, 2 bags having this weights of fertilizers. Find the maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizer exact number of times. So here we have to find maximum value. Okay. So here we have to find the maximum value. So maximum value means we have to find HCF, that is highest common factor. So for this we have to find the HCF of 75 and 69. So here weights of, it is given weights of 2 bags of fertilizer is equal to 75 kg and 69 kg. Okay, so we have to find the maximum value of weight, right? So for maximum value we have to find the HCF. So first 75, so 7 plus 5 is 12, so I am getting 12 here, so it will go by 3. 3 2s are 6, 1 5, 3 5s are 15, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. Now come to the 69. This also go by 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 23 is the prime number, it will not go by anything. So here factors of 75 is equal to 3 into 5 into 5. Factors of 69 is equal to 3 into 23. So HCF is 3. HCF I am getting equal to 3. So here answer will be 3 kg is the maximum value of weight. You have to write all this for the answer, maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizer exact number of times. So answer is 3 kg. Okay students, let's see next question, that is question number 2. Here it is given 3 boys step off together from the same spot. Okay, their steps measure 63 centimeter. So here I am writing the solution. First boy's steps is equal to 63 centimeter. Second boy is equal to 70 centimeter. And third boy is having 77 centimeter respectively. What is the minimum distance? It is asking for minimum distance. So for minimum I will calculate LCM, that is least common multiple. Okay, so we will calculate LCM for this numbers 63, 70, 77. So it will be go by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Sorry, first I will divide by 2. 70 will divide by 2, and the number which is not going by 2 we have to write as it is. 2 3s are 6, 1 10, 2 5s are 10, 77. Okay, here by 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 35, 77. Now 5, 21, 7, 77. Here first 3 7, 3 7s are 21. By 5, will go by 7, 7 1s are 7, 7 11s are, then by 11. So these are the LCM for the 3. So we have to write LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 11. So you have to multiply all. 2 3 is 6, 6 is 18, 18 5 is 90. Okay, so 90 into 11 is 990 into 7. 7 zeros are 7 nines are 63, 7 nines are 63 and 6930. It is in centimeter, so you have to put the unit centimeter. Okay, so 6930 centimeter is the minimum distance. Okay, you have to write this, each should cover, so that all can cover, so that up till here you have to write in the answer. So that is the question number 2. Okay students, let's see question number question number 3rd here. So it is given length, breadth and height of a room, 825 centimeter, 675 centimeter and 450 centimeter. That is length, breadth and height. So we have to find the longest tape which can measure the 3 dimensions of the room. So longest tape means maximum, maximum means we have to find HCF, and minimum means we have to find LCM. Okay, so remember this. Here it is given the longest tape. So length is given 825 centimeter, breadth equal to 675 centimeter and height is equal to 450 centimeters. So we have to find longest tape. Okay, so we have to find longest tape means we have to find the HCF of all the 3. So 825, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. So it will go by 3. 3 2s are 6, 1 12, 3 6 are, sorry, 3 4s are, 3 4s are 12. Okay, 3 2s are 6, 7 8, sorry, this is incorrect. 3 2s are 6, so I am getting here 22. Okay, so 3 7s are 21, 1 15, 3 5s are 15. 2 plus 7 is 9, 9 plus 7 plus 5 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14. Okay, so it will not go by 3, so I am, last digit is 5, so it is divisible by 5. Okay, so 5 5s are 25, 6 7 25, 5 5s are 25. Here 5 11s are 55, 11, 11 ones are 11. So these are the factors of 825. Now come to the 675. Here 6 plus 7 is 13, 13 plus 5 is 18. So 18 is the divisible by 3. So 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 1 15, 3 5s are 15. Here 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9. Again it will go by 3, 3 7s are 21, 1 15, 3 5s are 15. 7 plus 5 is 12, so it is again go by 3, 3 2s are 6, 1 15, 3 5s are 15. Here 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. Okay, here 450. Last term is 0, last digit is 0, so it is divisible by 2. Okay, so here 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 1 10, 2 5s are 10. So this will the same by 3 75s are, 3 25s are, 5 5s are and 5 1s are. So here you have to write like this, 825 is equal to 3 into 5 into 5 into 11, right? This is the factor. Now 675 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. 450 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. So here we have to see in all the 3 which is common. So here 3 is common in all the 3. Okay, 5 is common and 1 5 is also common here. So HCF is equal to 3 into 5 into 5. That is 5 5 is 25, 25 3 is 75. So here 75 centimeter is the longest tape. So longest tape is equal to 75 centimeters. So this is the solution. Okay students, let's see the question number 4. Here we have to determine the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. So what we have to do, we have to find the LCM first. 6, 8 and 12. So 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2, 3 as it is. Okay. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. Like this you have to find the LCM. So LCM I am getting here 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 is the LCM. So here we have to find the smallest 3-digit number, but here it is 2-digit number. So we have to see the multiple of 24, so that is the smallest 3-digit number. So we can see 24 into 4 is 4 4 is 16, 1 4 2 is 8, 96. That is also the 2-digit number. If I multiply by 5, 5 4 is 20, 2 5 2 is 10, 11 12. So 120 is the smallest 3-digit number. So that is the answer, 120. Okay student, here also we have to find, in the question number 4 we had find the smallest 3-digit. Here we have to find the greatest 3-digit which is divisible by 8, 10 and 12. So number is also changed. So here we have to find first LCM here 8, 10 and 12. So here 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, right? 2 1s are 2, 5, 3. 3 1s are 3, 5, like this. This is the LCM. So LCM is least common multiple. So 2 into 2 into 2, 3 times, into 3 into 5. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 5s are 120. Okay, so 120 is the smallest number. So we have to find the greatest 3-digit number. So we have to find the multiple of 120 so that it will be the greatest. 120 into 8, 8 zeros are 0, 8 2s are 16, 1 8 1s are 8, 9. Okay, 960, and 120 into 9, 9 zeros are 0, 9 2s are 18, 9 1s are 9 and 10. So this is, you can see that this is the 4-digit number. Okay, and this is the 3-digit number, that is the largest number. Okay, largest number, if you find the largest 3-digit number, so that will be the 900. So it will be the terms of 960. Okay, so that is the greatest 3-digit number. That is your answer, 960. Okay, this is the question number 5. Okay, I hope you understood up till here. In the next video, I will cover the rest of the question of the exercise 3.7. So till then, please like, share, comment and subscribe this channel. Thank you and have a nice day.